Today is my monthly Nailtopia polish color, and for the month of May, we received Glow Up. For the nail art, I'm going to use from last month, the white that's called So Fresh, So Clean. First, I'm going to apply my base coat like I normally do. And the base coat I'm using is linked in the description box. Now I'm going to apply the first coat of Glow Up. I do really love these plant-based polishes from Nailtopia. The formulas are really nice. They're usually opaque in 2 coats. And they apply really great. Here is the second coat. I like the flat brushes with the round tips. It makes it very easy to get up next to your cuticle. And this does level out really great and is opaque in 2 coats. This color is good for pineapples, school buses, ruler nail art, I don't know. But today I'm going to do a Dotticure. And I don't do dots very much, so I probably should do this more often to get in practice. Thank goodness my nails aren't real big, so I can, so I don't have to put too many dots on them. I'm using a large size dotting tool. I'm trying to get the dots to be the same size. Everyone else makes it look so easy. Maybe it's just because I haven't had a lot of practice. There, 1 down, 1 to go. I'm just doing a couple of accent nails. One more dot and we're finished. There we go. Now that it's done, I let it dry for a little bit, and I'm going to apply the Maniology smudge-free top coat over the top. That's just to protect it against my long-lasting top coat from accidentally smudging it. So I'm just going to let this dry for a few minutes. And now I can go in with my long-lasting top coat, which I'll link in the description box. Sorry for the darkness of the video in this part. The camera got darker on me and I didn't notice. There we go. Nice and sunny yellow. So I hope you liked the video. I love how this mani came out. I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.